I made these immune boosting shots at home without using a juicer. They are loaded with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They are good for digestive health, heart health, help in absorption of iron, and are also good for kidney stone prevention. On the other hand, they can interact with certain medication. Their high acidity level can damage the teeth enamel and trigger or worsen acid reflux, and are also high in sugar. They are mainly for prevention purposes and should not replace doctor's order or recommendation. For these particular shots, I'm using 2 oranges, 2 lemons, a handful of ginger, and 1 pineapple. You can prep these in advance and keep them in the fridge for like 1 week or in the freezer for like a month. It is better to use a plastic jars, as the glass jars can easily break and be a safety concern. To get started, I first of all cleaned all my ingredients very well, and then I started off by juicing the oranges and the lemons. And as I told you earlier, I'm not using a juicer at this time because I don't own one, but that should not be an excuse. Right there, I am removing the pulp and the seeds that is blocking my juice from going through. Oranges are highly nutritious. They're also packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. They boost the immune system, improve skin health, and support heart health. They also help to promote healthy digestion, aid in iron absorption. They also offer anti-inflammatory benefits that can help reduce chronic diseases like cancer or diabetes. And then at this point, I'm also juicing the lemons. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. They help to promote the immunity, skin collagen production, and also help in iron absorption. A regular consumption of lemon can help reduce the risk of kidney stones, aid in digestion, and help in heart health by lowering your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. I was able to juice a good amount of lemon and orange juice, and at this point, I'm now prepping the pineapple. Pineapples are full of nutrients. They are low in calories, are packed with vitamin C, magnesium, and bromelain that aid in digestion, reduce inflammation. They support the immunity, strengthen the bones, and have antioxidants that help fight chronic illnesses. And after this, the next step is now to prep the ginger. Ginger is a root packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is highly effective in reducing nausea, helping digestion, helping lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and in some instances can help with pain management. After I was done peeling the ginger, I am now slicing them into some smaller chunks so as to make it easier for my blender. And now the next step is to add the ginger into my Ninja blender and puree them. What I love most about this Ninja blender is that you don't even need any liquid to get the work done. So even without a juicer, it will be easier for us to get our shots done. Next is to strain our ginger and pineapple puree. At this point, you can use a cheesecloth if you have one, but I preferred using a sieve that will give me the same result. And there you have it, our ginger pineapple juice. I finally have all my juice ready. I'm mixing them up in my jar as I get them ready to transfer them into my little storage jars. And here comes our little storage jars. By the way, I got them from Amazon, and I'll leave you a link in the comment or the description section if you'd like to purchase them. And look at that, they're looking very appetizing. And then with the ingredients I used, I was able to come up with 7 jars of immune boosting shots. And as I had mentioned earlier, these are plastic jars and the lids are very secure, so it will be very easy for us to store them in the fridge or in the freezer. And these immune boosting shots were very flavorful, and I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. And at this point, I want to kindly request you to help me grow this channel by subscribing, then hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also kindly like, share or comment so I know that you watched this video, and also let me know what you liked or you did not like about this video. So thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.